Hello guys, welcome to my vlogs. I'm on the train right now. I just got the train. I'm going for the interview for the Star Air interview. Let's see what happens there. I'm not at all prepared. I'm fully prepared. There is nothing to prepare because we don't know what kind of question they're gonna ask. I'm going like that only. Let's see what happens there. I got pimple here. It's little bit left, almost gone. But let's see what happened. I have took the haircut. Tell me how's it looking. And so I'm wearing that watch. That's my favorite watch. I hope it will be lucky for me. And yeah, see you around. Bye bye. I'll keep updating you.
मरना तेरे को डर नहीं लगता?
Hello guys, I've just reached to the town. So let me tell you first that I'm not making vlogs to upload on YouTube or somewhere. Like I will upload, but just for the memory, है ना? So in future, if I get select for the Star Year, and after 10 years, I want to see that how was the day when I went for the interview, so I can watch that vlog and renew the memories. So that's why I'm making this vlog, not for the views and upload somewhere, because I don't have that fan base, and I know I'm no one gonna see my vlog, but my friends and my family definitely will. So for them and for me and for myself, I'm making this vlog. So now let me tell you, I'm waiting for the train. I just get off from let me show you, from this train, and now I'm waiting for my next train. So I'll have to change the train from the Down Junction, and from here then I'll get a direct train to Dadar, and from Dadar I'll go to my friend's house. He lives in Malad, so I'll go there, I'll change, and then I'll further go for the interview. So stay tuned. Bye bye, see you.
ऐसे कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये?
It's from the skin. Anyways, so it's 12:30 a.m. It's midnight, and I'm still waiting for my train. It's not arrived yet. It will arrive in 15 minutes on the same platform. I hope it arrives on this platform only, because I am not in mood to change the platform right now. And you guys missed one incident, because I think some people miss their train. Here one train was standing here, and for a very long time it was standing, and so these people get off from the train and went somewhere, and the train started, and half people from their community was inside the train and half was outside. So they were running from here. So it's not safe to run behind the train. Let me tell you guys, we should not. I know nobody's gonna watch my vlog, but I don't know why I'm telling this. But yes, we should not, because we will get another train, but the life is for once only, no?
मरना तेरे को डर नहीं लगता?
And now I'm waiting for my train. Let's hope it will come soon, and I'll be reaching to the other at 5 a.m. So from there I'll go to the Jayvan's house. So I'll keep you updated. And I don't know what's wrong with my skin. It should not happen, because I have interview tomorrow. Let's see what I can do for this. Nothing much, I guess. This side, can you see? There's nothing. I'm just overthinking about my skin and all. Already. So I'll keep you updated. There is something, yeah, something is there. I don't know what.
मैं जानता हूं आपको कितनी दिक्कतें आई हैं।
Hello guys, it's 6:30 in the morning, and I've reached at Malad. So I'm going now to the Jayvan's house by walking, because I'm not gonna do the workout today, no. So हाथी नहीं तो हाथी की पूंछ ही सही. So I'm going by walk, and it's not so far. It's like 2.5 kilometers away from the railway station. I didn't call him because he must be sleeping now. So I'll go and give him a surprise. I informed him that I'm coming, but still it will be surprise for him because he must be sleeping, no. So let's go to his place and I'll continue. Bye bye. I think I have to walk 1 more kilometer.
अरे बेटे तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
Because he has sent me the address of his office. Like he said, find space something. So I came there, and now again I searched his apartment. My Parija society, he said, but it's Parija apartment. And I also remember that last time I met him, he told me that he showed me his apartment from outside only showed, and it was on the main road. And here I came to Sony, where I came here before, but not like that. So I mean, I came here before, but here he also didn't know this road before. This is definitely not his apartment. Alrighty, I'll go then to his apartment and let's see what happens. Finally, guys, I have reached to his apartment. Watchman told me to go on the 503 apartment number, so I'm going there. There's a lift because he was leaving on 5th floor, and I have came by walk. So now I can walk. Hello guys, so continuing the vlog here. I just cleared my second round. My BMI is 20 and it's on the borderline. So meet my buddy. What's your name?
I'm Karthik Malik.
Karthik Malik.
Yeah.
Oh. So Karthik Malik. He's 21 years old and he's from Delhi. So we'll continue.
And he's making vlogs, so you should subscribe.
And no. I'm making the vlog for myself. Like I said, the start. So in the future, if I want to see a vlog and get to know the day that I got selected, so I can see it on boring. I'm not gonna upload it anywhere.
Okay. I thought that you are uploading it on here.
No. Not doing for the views.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. So guys, we have completed our third round. And we are waiting for the result. We'll get a mail within a 10 to 15 days.
But we are getting the good vibes.
Yes.
We are going to.
We are selected because interview went really well.
And
it was really
those
good.
people who are not selected, they are just sent back to their home.
And yes, they told her on her face that she's not selected, and they didn't tell us like that. They
Just told us that we will get any email within 10 days.
Yes.
So hope for the best.
Hope for the best, and that's it, guys. That's it for the vlog. We'll see you in the another vlog. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on dance through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on